I know it's weird having Android, Samsung, other than Apple product on here. Especially me, I've been an Apple user for the majority of my life. But this year I wanted to try something different. I'm all about trying new tech, and honestly, Apple has not been innovating recently, to be honest. In my opinion, I think Apple's last innovation was with the iPhone 10 or the iPhone X. So I wanted to see what Samsung had to offer, and that's why I went out and got the Galaxy S26 Ultra. This year, they're the most, I wouldn't say important, but the star of the show is privacy screen feature. But we'll get into that later. I've had the phone for it's been sitting in my house for 2 days. I haven't unboxed it, I haven't touched it, I haven't looked at nothing on YouTube. So I really just want to get into this unboxing. Just give you my first impressions coming from a lifetime Apple user. Anyway, without further ado, we're gonna get into this. So I got it right here. I picked it up at Best Buy. They gave me a few souvenirs like Android bag, water bottle, and these. Actually, they gave me a keychain, cleaner, which is funny, and then this Android bag as well. So it's actually pretty nice. I wasn't expecting that. I was really just expecting to go in, get the phone, and then leave. So having a little few souvenirs are pretty good. And Best Buy also gives you a gift card. So honestly, when I'm gonna start buying phones, I might just stick to Best Buy, because I didn't even know they did that. But anyway, here's the box. Obviously, you got the Galaxy S26 Ultra, and then the Samsung logo, and then obviously all the info on the back. So I can see already the unboxing experience will be just like Apple. Obviously, we are all trying to save the environment, as we should. So I guess we're just gonna get into this peel action and bring the mic a little bit closer so you can hear it. Let's see if we can get let's see if we can get that satisfying peel. Okay, it's pretty nice. Let's move it down here. It's always nice, that unboxing feeling when you know you're gonna get some new tech. It's always great. I'm excited to get into it because it's like a brand new ecosystem. It's just, and that new tech feeling, like when you know you're getting a new piece of tech, a camera, a phone, something. Just, it's that feeling, and it's amazing. Without further ado, let me wipe my hands. You know what I'm saying? I don't want too much grease on the phone. I'm trying my best to hold back my excitement, but I'm pretty excited to get into this. So let's see. I don't know, should we do the hand or? Nah, I got you. All right. Ooh, yeah. So we got the sky blue option. Well, we'll get to the phone in a second, but obviously the colorway, it is sky blue. I think it's pretty nice. Me being biased, I'm from North Carolina. In the top box, I'm assuming, we got your typical manuals and everything else. Like, your user manuals and stuff like that. But the Samsung, all right, USB-C to USB-C charger. We love to see it. Got to stock up on those. Like I said, your pamphlets, your user manuals, all that stuff. Who really reads that, to be honest? And then, okay, you got the SIM card. Haven't seen that in years. What else? Is that it? I think that's it, actually. Put all that to the side. Now we can get to the meat and potatoes, as some would say. The S26 Ultra. So I'm gonna I don't, let's go. Oh, bro. Oh, that is nice, bro. It's nice. It's a good feel. in the hands, it's got a little weight to it. It's got a little weight to it. I think the heaviest phone I've had was my 14 Pro Max. I think that was titanium, so it was respectfully pretty heavy. Bring the mic closer so you can hear that oh so satisfying screen peel, bro. Let's see, hold on. I don't want the mic to fall. Oh, bro, that is so nice. That is so nice. Okay, so, I mean, you got your traditional buttons. I'm assuming this is, let me see. Actually, so it is different. Like I said, again, this is my first Android in a long time. Might as well just be the first one in my life. But this only has 2 buttons. So I have volume respectively, right? Volume is not separated. And then assuming this is the power button. So the cameras, bro, I love this color. I love it. But the cameras has, if I'm not mistaken, it's 5 cameras total. The design is nice. I used to not like the way that the cameras were set up, like just the orientation, because it just doesn't. I don't know, to me it's not really symmetrical, but I mean now holding it in the hand, it's not that bad, to be honest. So I know some people will complain about protrusion for the cameras, right? It protrudes. And then some people will complain about it, if you set your phone down like that, it's gonna rock. Me personally, I don't do that. I set my phone down, my phone will go like this, screen first, because I put screen protectors on my phone. I'm not worried about it rocking, to be honest. So, like to keep the camera intact. So, I think that's really it for the outside phone. Bro, this color is nice. This color is so nice. And then obviously you got the, I believe we call it the S Pen. It's white, so I wasn't actually expecting that. All right, got a button and then some little grooves probably for the inside. This is blue. This is the same color as the phone, respectively. I wonder how it's gonna be using the stylus, because it's new, right? Let's see, and then you just push it back in. But I think they only go in 2 ways, right? As you can see, it's not flushed, right? It's not flushed, which isn't a problem. But yeah, because I'm pretty sure, yeah, it doesn't go in any type of way. So I did hear about that apparently they used to be able, you can just excuse me, you used to be able to just slide the pen in literally any direction and it would just fit. But now it's a certain way. You got the SIM card, you got the USB-C charging port, and then a speaker groove right here at the bottom. So that's about it for the outside of the phone. Now we're gonna get into booting up the phone. All right, so hopefully it's not dead. I highly doubt it would be. I'm assuming it's gonna be 30%, but all right, let's get into it. Is that the power button? I held it. Make sure. Do it again. Might have to charge it, which is insane. All right. Oh, nope. My bad. I just didn't hold it for long enough. But you can see Samsung Galaxy. Android, powered by Android. Boy, we haven't seen that screen in a while. It's crazy. Ooh. Oh, this is nice. Hold on, I wanna take a picture of this. Unfortunately, you know what I'm saying? Gotta take a picture. Don't hate. As you can see, fresh out the box, we're on 45%. So we're gonna click start. Setup. I agree. Ooh. Nope. I actually do not agree. Usually when it comes to diagnostic testing, I don't typically agree. Swipe, like just the little swipe on the screen is smooth. I don't know if it's because it's a new screen, like it's fresh, right? But it's smooth. It's definitely it's smooth, and I like that. I like that. Easy setup with another device. I think for this one, for this setup, we'll set it up ourselves. There is, I don't want to call it haptic feedback, but that's what I'm used to. It's haptic, like the haptic feedback when you press a button and it vibrates. It's nice. Check your phone. Now this is another thing I'm interested in. Screw face recognition. We're not gonna do that. I want to do fingerprint because I missed out on the iPhone, and I think honestly they should bring it back. I don't know why Apple won't do that. It is rumored though that the foldable iPhone that is supposed to release later this year is going to have like a Touch ID built into the display. And if that's the case, not gonna lie, that's pretty lame because Apple, like, you might as well put that on the base of all your phones, and all your phones will sell. Everybody loves Touch ID. So much simpler, so much faster. Light or dark mode? We'll go with light for right now. Oh, I don't want to do too much in this video because I do plan on testing it throughout the week, putting it to the test, seeing what it could do, seeing what the AI features could do. Because I will say one thing about, in the innovation department, Samsung 100% has Apple beat. Like, we all know that Apple is typically late to the game when it comes to like innovating and features and stuff. I gotta really, as you can tell, I really gotta spend time with the phone. If you like the video, please obviously like it, share it, comment, and subscribe as well. It greatly helps the channel. Stay tuned for another one. I think the next one is gonna be day in the life. That's it, that's all I got. I thank you for watching, and I'll see you